Hey guys, just wanted to talk to you guys today and introduce our DCDC battery brackets. Now these are designed to take Intervolt, REDARC, 25 amp and 40 amp chargers, and also Projecta and TJM 25 amp chargers. So the idea of these brackets is to make the installation nice and simple. The brackets are all CNC cut and folded. And they also come with fuses and all the nuts and bolts and hardware to install it onto your vehicle. Now these are designed to go on to replace your existing battery bracket. So this bracket here is for a Land Cruiser, but that's the general concept, is that goes on there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through and we're going to show you how to install one of these, and we're going to use the REDARC DCDC charger and show you exactly how it goes on and how easy it is. So we'll start by mounting the MIDI fuse holder, and which comes with 40 and 60 amp fuses, and also depending on the size of the charger that you're putting on, and also a spare for you. So with the supplied bolts and washers, we'll install the fuse holder. So the fuses and the fuse holder actually come in the kit, so you don't have to, it's not extra. So once we have the fuse holder installed, we will mount the charger. So we include different mounting holes on the brackets for different chargers. So obviously the REDARC, Projecta and Intervolt. This is a 25. It also takes a 40 as well. And then obviously the mounting holes are there. So with the supplied nuts and bolts, we'll get this installed. So once you have the DCDC charger installed onto the bracket, we'll go ahead and remove the factory battery bracket. Take off the factory mounting bracket and then put on the DCDC charger bracket and reuse the existing bolts or the existing nuts that you just took off. And there you have it. So that's the DCDC charger installed on our battery bracket. Nice and simple, and from here you can just wire it up to the fuse holder, and then obviously the negative and your ignition and solar. But at least the hard part of finding somewhere to put the DCDC bracket and mounting it somewhere nice and stable, that part of it is taken care. Obviously, when we design these brackets, we've taken into account bonnet height for all the applications, and designed to take all 3 brands or 4 brands of chargers. So I hope the video was of some use to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our other videos, and have fun.